everybody, welcome back to another video. So I'm just doing a vlog, I guess. It's been kind of crazy. I think we all know we've all been going through the same thing, the coronavirus, the kids being out of school. And I'm here in Utah. All my friends here in Utah who watch my videos, we woke up this morning, Wednesday morning, to a 5.7 earthquake. So where we live, we're about 40 miles north of the epicenter, so it wasn't as bad in our area, but we still felt it. I was literally, TMI right now, I sat my booty on the, the toilet. I was taking my morning pee, and then the ground started shaking. The whole house was shaking, and I was like, what the? Long story short, we realized it's a earthquake. My husband's laying in bed, but we were both up, and he gets up, and he's like, earthquake! I run into my son's room and get him, and he's like dead asleep. The dog was dead asleep. This fool right here. Yeah, dead asleep. Didn't even bark, nothing. So yeah, that was an interesting morning. On top of that, it was the day that we have to go pick up our kids' learning stuff and iPads and all that. So I was able to go get my son's, but they closed the school down like right after that. So a lot of people didn't get their learning stuff today. I called my daughter. She was at her dad's house, and I was like, no. So I call her, and the first thing she does is, Mom, are you okay? That's how she answered the phone. I'm like, no, are you okay? That girl has such a sweetheart. So everyone's fine, but it's just a lot of stuff to deal with, and then like not being able to get food in the stores. And toilet paper, we all know the toilet paper situation is freaking out of control. Obviously, I don't know. Like, my personal opinion, I think everyone needs to quit. I understand it's a serious situation we're dealing with, but come on, people. Like, let's stop freaking panicking. We have to realize that God has us. If you don't believe in God, that's fine, but you have to have a little bit more faith. So, yeah, it's been crazy, and I hope that you guys are all doing okay. I'm just super grateful that my man is home for all of this. Like, he got out, and then it just started all of this. So I'm like grateful every day, because I know if he wasn't here, I would probably be freaking out. I'm not gonna lie, but just knowing that he's here to help us and protect us and stuff helps me get through it. So if for any of my prison wives out there who are watching and your man is still locked up and you're going through it, I pray for you. I'm sending all my love to you, and it's gonna be okay. I know the prisons here, they're on lockdown. You can't have any visits, and I'm pretty sure it's like that nationwide. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure. So if you're not being able to see your man at this time, I'm just hoping that you're able to talk on the phone, get letters, anything. And I'm praying for all of you guys. And you might have clicked out of this video by now because I'm just rambling. So basically, I just wanted to do, I guess, a vlog today. I actually work from home, so that's been great. But I did log off today. Our manager was like, look, if you guys need to take a day off, personal day, to kind of like recoup, like take it. Even though I work from home, but it's hard to just work and when you have all this stuff going on. So I'm going to get my house clean. I'm going to start my son on his learning stuff and just try to take a day to like recoup from all this craziness. So I hope you guys are all okay. You guys are doing well. Rocky. Just sits up over here watching all day. Hi. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey. So anyway, we are going to J&J Nursery. It's like a nursery store for plants. So we're gonna actually go look and see what they have. Sorry if this is shaky. Rude. Go look and see what they have for plants to put in our garden. With everybody freaking out and taking all the food, probably best to maybe plant. Well, we were gonna do a garden anyway, but go and like look for tomatoes and lettuce and all that stuff, that good stuff. Yeah, that's what we're doing with our time off. There's not that many people on the road right now and out and about. A lot of people were sent home from work and stuff today.
These are smaller.
The mystery word was...
Helping this boy with his homework.
Which of these words is the
They sent home everything, which is great, but I feel like a teacher right now.
in one clue?
And I'm tired. So we survived the big earthquake of 2020. How do you feel right now? Babe, how do you feel?
Gang related.
Babe!
What? Oh, you're recording? Oh, you
Survived. How do you feel? You feel like a different new man now? So we're gonna reenact what happened this morning during the earthquake of 2020.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so, got the cash out, told him wipe a nigga no.
Tell me to go and he'll go too. Go, Rox, go. Go. Go, Rox, go. Go.
What's going on in here? Oh my gosh.
Come on. Come on, Rox.
This is what's going on while I'm trying to make dinner. It's a house full of boys. We got, what? I don't know how that happened. Got some pork chops going. Turn this off. Got some croissant thingies. Yeah, we're gonna have dinner. So, we have a thing, it's called, we have a thing when he was locked up. He told me when he got home, we would have 5 kisses a day. 5 kisses a day. He's been slacking on the kisses.
You realize you're slow dancing. I do. And it's public. I know.
One more. Okay. That was 2 out of the 5. Anyways, we just had dinner. How was your dinner, babe?
Good.
It was good. We had pork chops. This guy doesn't ever eat. He just freaking plays on his phone. But hope you guys are all surviving the coronavirus and the earthquake. Well, for the people here in Utah. But anyways, I'll check in with you another time. Bye.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells